Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. In this video, we will guide you through building an Android app using the Build on Cloud feature of FluxBuilder. First, sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your email. Next, activate an app for your account or select an existing active app. Before using the Build feature, your app must be fully configured in both design and features. You can open the task list here. Please make sure you complete all the tasks to prepare your app properly. Now, let's start building. Go to the Build section in the side menu and select the Cloud option. With this feature, you do not need to set up any local environment. Please refer to the Build on Cloud guide for more details. It is very important to double-check all preconditions. Make sure you have installed all required plugins on your website. Do not use transparent backgrounds, special characters, or spaces in file names. If you want to update your app later without republishing, please follow this guide first. We provide guides for both design and features updates, with 4 methods for you to choose from. To build a multi-language app, please follow this guide. Also, make sure you have created your developer accounts on Google Play and the App Store. For iOS builds, you must create an app on App Store Connect before submitting a build. After that, return to the Build section in FluxBuilder and select the build output. The Build feature allows you to build both Android and iOS apps. For Android, you can choose to build either an Android APK or an Android app bundle. Now, let's move on to the details for building an iOS app. In Step 2, enter the bundle ID. For example, then, click the Update button to complete this step. You can follow our video guide to learn how to create a bundle ID for an iOS app. Now, I will change it to my own bundle ID. The next step is iOS certificate. Please note that, after a successful build, the IPA file will be uploaded to TestFlight automatically. Therefore, please make sure that you have already created your app on App Store Connect. Here, upload the App Store Connect API private key. Enter the API key ID and API issuer ID. The key file should have the .p8 extension. You can click this link to view the full guide on how to create API keys for the App Store Connect API. After that, return to FluxBuilder to continue. Next, upload the certificate file. Enter the certificate password. You can click the eye icon to check whether the password is correct. If you do not have a certificate, you can select Manually button and follow the provided guide to generate a new one. Or simply click the Automatically option to create it quickly. At this step, you will be asked to upload the Google Services info file. In step 4, build the app on cloud. Here, you can update the app name, app icon, app version, and build version to match your needs. For iOS builds, remember to update the build version correctly by increasing its number. Now, I will fill in all the app information. The env and design configuration JSON files are exported automatically by default. If you want to use different files, disable this option and upload your own environment and design JSON files. Click this button to upload the files. Please note that the Discard Changes button will remove all your current settings. Make sure to click Upload Information to send your setup to the cloud for building. FluxBuilder also provides a feature for users who have their own source code. Build with Git Repository. This option retrieves the source code from your Git repository instead of using the FluxBuilder setup. Enable this feature to use it. For other fields, please refer to our guide for more details. Before submitting the build, review all the uploaded build information carefully. Click this button to check the integration configuration. If there are any incorrect keys, you can click this button to go directly to the Features configuration screen. The Download button allows you to save the existing files to your local device. Now, click Submit Build to start the cloud build process. The status will show running while the build is in progress. When the process is completed, please check your email for the result. Finally, after completing the build process, please refer to this guide to release your app on the App Store. That's all. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to receive new videos for free. Thank you for watching.